In this video, I'll show you how you can get a refund on Epic Games. Now, first step is you're going to open up Epic Games. Once you're in here, on the top right corner, you're going to click on your name and then go to account. Once you click on this, it's going to open up an external page that's going to look like this. Account settings, you're going to come to this page right here. Now, what you're going to do from this side is you're going to press on transactions. In here, you're going to see the games that you've bought and everything. Now, this is a free game for me. I got it for free, obviously. But if you paid for it and you click on the little drop-down menu right here, there will be a button that says request a refund. Simply press on that button and then type in the request refund. And you have now requested a refund to Epic Games. Then if you're eligible, you're going to get the refund, and that's basically how you can do it. It's super simple, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.